Now we look at the last case in examining relationships to quantitative variables, case QQ. And there are a number of new ideas to discuss for this topic. Let's take a sneak preview using this interactive data analysis applet for two quantitative variables. We will use the first dataset on social distress and brain activity. You can view the data using the Data tab. We'll skip straight to the scatter plot. For two quantitative variables, our graphical displays and numerical measures are very reminiscent of algebra class. Do you remember y equals mx plus b? If so, it might help. Here in this scatter plot, we plot each observation in 2 dimensions by locating the intersection of the x and y coordinate locations for that observation. We're looking for trends in the plot. In particular, in this course, we will be very happy if we see a linear trend, such as the one in this plot, as all of our methods will work well in the case of linear relationships. When looking at scatter plots, we look at the overall pattern, which will include the direction, positive for increasing trends, negative for decreasing trends, form, linear, curvilinear, or nonlinear, and strength, how closely the data fits the overall pattern. We will also look for outliers. In the applet, we can add the linear regression equation and lines for the mean x and mean y. As we can see in the plot, for this dataset, as x equals social distress increases, y equals brain activity also tends to increase. This scatter plot shows a positive linear trend. In the Correlation and Regression tab, we see some information including which variables are defined to be x and y. You can swap these if you wish using the checkbox at the top. The mean and standard deviation for both x and y, the number of data points, the simple linear regression equation, the correlation, and its square. The final tab shows the residual plot, which is a plot showing how far each data point fell from the regression line. We will learn that we want to see a random scatter in this plot with no clear trend. This will indicate the best case scenario for a linear regression analysis. You can use this applet to help you understand and apply the concepts in the section on case QQ, examining the relationship between two quantitative variables.